Hello, Earhart Eagles. This is Mr. Newcomb with another quick lesson. So last week we covered everything under the word file. And then now we're going to look at edit, view, insert. All right. A lot of these things are very seldom used. Insert an image would be the same as inserting an image over here, which you've already done. Insert a table we'll cover another time. Some of these things would come up under special circumstances. I don't really ever use headers and footers. Special characters, I don't really use those. Horizontal lines, sometimes I insert a horizontal line if you need like permission slip to cut here, and to tear off and put that in. Insert a link. So a lot of this I really don't use much, but I have a document here for you because we're going to do something under the edit menu. Edit, find, and replace. So find and replace, you can have Google Docs find a certain word in a document and replace it. Where I've used this in the past is if I consistently misspelled a word or had someone's name in a story wrong, or I wanted to change the name of a character, I could find that character name and replace it. So here we have sharks. 10 facts about great white sharks. This is information I copied off the internet. And often, over and over again, it says the word sharks. Okay, or great white. So you can pick any word and find and replace it. So you have to do them one at a time. So I'm going to click find and replace. So we're just going to kind of play with this document. We're going to change from sharks to, you pick an animal and change it. So I'm going to change sharks to kittens just because it'd be silly. And I'm going to press replace all. And close it and take a look. 10 facts about great white kittens. So you could put great white puppies. Instead of great, let's change that to tiny. So let's go to edit, find and replace, and change sharks great to see. It shows you everywhere that it occurs. See, everywhere that it says great, it's going to be tiny now. So 10 facts about, instead of great white kittens, it'll be tiny white kittens. Press next. And next. Press replace all, replace all. And let's close this with an X and let's take a look. 10 facts about tiny white kittens. So now we have tiny white kittens right here in this paragraph and in this item. And that just makes it kind of silly. So that's a tool that if you had a long report and you misspelled a word over and over again, or you wanted to change the word or change the name of a character, everywhere that name occurs, you can find and replace it. Let's try it again. Let's switch it back. Edit, find and replace. Let's change the word tiny back to great. And replace all. And let's change the word sharks to kittens to sharks. And replace all. And let's take a look. All right, so I have it back to normal. 10 facts about great white sharks. I don't think there's any kittens left in the document. So this week, what I need you to do is find and replace all the great, all the white, and all the sharks with the edit tool, find and replace. So pick a word to replace great, like tiny, white, maybe say purple, and pick an animal. And just see what happens with your document if it finds and replaces all of them. That's it for this week. Have fun with this. Bye.